भ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Nagasudha Mata, will you start?
महोदय. ॐ भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति डुक्कृङ्कर्णे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्ता संसाराद् चिरात् भवमुक्ता गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्ता संसाराद् चिरात् भवमुक्ता सेन्द्रिय मानस नियमादेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निज हृदयस्थं देवं सेन्द्रिय मानस नियमादेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निज हृदयस्थं देवं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते. धन्यवाद आचार्य.
Okay. धन्यवादः. श्यामनवा स्वामी वंदे मातरम.
शुभोदयं स्वामीजी.
शुभोदयं वंदे मातरम. गतवारे गत रविवासरे अस्माभिः कक्ष्यायां संस्कृत संभाषणं कृतं. तस्य नाम दिनचर्या इति. अद्यापि तस्य अनुसरणं क्रियते. नवीन शब्दैः, नवीन मीन्स
न्यू,
नवीन शब्दैः, नूतन वाक्यैः, नूतन विषयैश्च संभाषणं कुर्मः. Do you know the meaning of this Bhaja Govindam symbol? Na? What is Bhaja Govindam?
Worship to Govindam.
Bhaja is pray. Govinda, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja. The meaning is same for three sets of words like Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja. Last word is Moodha Mate. What is Moodha Mate?
You fool.
Fool-minded.
You are fool-minded.
Why you are fool-minded? Samprapte. What is samprapti?
When it comes.
Sannihita. What is sannihita?
close.
Close. Very good. Kala.
Time.
Nahi nahi.
No.
Rakshati.
Protect.
Dhukri karane.
I think that has something to do with the grammar, isn't it? Right?
Yeah, actually, Dhukri karane is a formula of Panini. I told you about Panini and Vyakarana, is Ashtadhyayi. So one day Shankaracharya is passing by. One great scholar is just teaching his students, or a person is reciting grammar. Om, I won't look, Eong, Ayo, Chaivarat, Lang, etc. etc. He's practicing in which Dukrai Karane is a formula it came. No, Shankaracharya thought of, you are practicing grammar, that is fine. But will it protect you in your, when the time comes, when the situation comes, will grammar protect you? When the situation comes, will your science protects you? When the situation, last time comes, when any instrument protects you, what protects you? Govinda will protect you. So better, oh fool-minded, instead of reading grammar, reciting grammar, practicing that, pray to Govinda. It's like philosophical discipline. It's a philosophical doctrine telling that Govinda is the last word. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Dhukrai Karane. The grammar concepts will not protect you, but the supreme power will protect you. To tell that, it's a beautiful shloka. It's a simple one. There are many shlokas which explains about very beautiful concepts, which like unimaginable. In which one of a beautiful thing is Yavad Vittoparjana Shaktaha. What is Yavat?
All.
Yavat, up to there, up to there. Yavat, up to when Vitta. What is Vitta?
Money.
Money.
Money, yeah.
Arjana,
Earn.
Earning.
Shaktaha,
Ability. Able.
Able.
capable of.
Capacity.
Until you are capable of earning money. Yavad vittoparjana shaktaha, tavat tava parivaro raktaha. Till then you are lovable by your family. Until you are capable of earning money, till then you are lovable by the family. Jarjara bhute sharire. Then it tells when your body is unable to earn money, when it is folded, when it becomes weak, no one will come to see you, no one will come to console you, or no one will serve you.
You are useless.
For me, I might be useful, but for other people, I'm useless.
Yeah.
Until I'm useful, I'll have a job. If a company needs me, I have a job. If company don't need me, I don't have a job. If I'm just feeding my family, yeah, I have a job, I have a responsibility, family loves me. If I don't give anything what my son don't son likes it, he don't love me. Yavat pitto parjana shaktaha tavat tava parivaro rakta. Like the jarjara sharire kopina saktaha. Like if you are not capable of, no one loves you. There are many philosophical wordings, but not required for now. Just for Sanskrit understanding, I'm just telling with simple wordings.
Okay, in that.
The Bhaja Govindam is such a revelation today. You know, we keep singing all the time.
Yes.
I am 60 years old. I still didn't know the actual meaning until now.
Yeah. We'll plan something, Swami. Next week, we'll take some concept like Bhaja Govinda Stotra. I'll take some Stotra and let us explain words of meanings of it. You people will tell me meanings. I'll correct you. That's it.
Okay, Acharya, I'll take this opportunity to ask meaning of one more, the Gayatri Mantra.
Please.
Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat.
I'll just sum it up and tell you, not clearly, because there are different meanings, different perceptions. Bhuhu is a bhuloka. Bhuvaha is a bhuvarloka. Swaha is a suvarloka. There are 14 worlds for us. Bhuloka, bhuvarloka, suvarloka, maharloka, janoloka, tapoloka, satyaloka in the top. Atala, vitala, sutala, talatala, rasatala, mahatala, patala below. Okay? Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha. It means in all the worlds. Tat Savituhu. Savita is sun. Tat Savituhu. That sun's sixth Sashti Vibhakti. Varenyam. We are praying. Bhargaha. The same sun god. Devasya. Bhargo Devasya. Sun gods. Dhimahi, we are praying. Dhiyo. Dhi means buddhi. Okay. Naha prachodayat. I pray to sun god every morning, who is the god, sun god for Bhargoha. Bhargaha is a deva god for every world. He enlightens every world. He just glows every world. That sun god should give me buddhi. Dhiyo naha prachodayat. He should give me buddhi. The God who glorifies all the worlds even should glorify this world also. Buddhi. He should develop it. Please, I am praying him every day in the morning because of getting good buddhi.
Naha is to us, isn't it? Not to just me, but us.
Naha is us, na?
Us, yeah.
Asmakam naha. Asmakam is everyone. Naha. Asmakam. Naha is a, what you can say, synonym for asmakam, of
Yeah.
all of us.
All of us, yeah. That's right.
In ancient times, every prayer is for everybody, not for individual. They
Yeah.
never ask for me.
Yeah.
Swasti prajabhyah. Swasti is welfare. Prajabhyah for all. Paripalayantam. King should rule. Nyayena margena, in a lawful way. Mahim, to the earth. Mahishah, kings. Kings should rule the earth in a legal way, lawful way, and everyone should be equal. There should be equality everywhere.
Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.
The concept is this. Go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam. Go is a cow. Brahmana is an intelligence. Both should be protected. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. All the world should be happy. This is the wish we ask to God after every puja. So please, Swami, please give me this one small house or one small vehicle. Please, God will not protect. See only one individual's desire. Na? He takes care whatever. Swami Vivekananda saying is there. God never gives whatever we want. He gives always whatever we needed.
Yeah.
So when everything he is doing needful, why to ask something, one small thing, please take care of me, this one, that. So we are just diverted from the class. Okay, today we are practicing Dinacharya. Okay, again, today I'll just add some small grammatical concepts in our Dinacharya and just continue. I asked you to write a small passage, na? How many did?
No, I didn't do it.
No homework not done.
That there was a homework. I didn't even know that actually. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. My teachers used to make me to stand on the benches. No benches, no standing. Okay. So
I'll tell one joke regarding that.
Yeah, please.
There was one kid who got away not answering any question on the Zoom session for a year. He completed his course. So what he did is he named his name as the ... reconnecting. ... Reconnecting on the Zoom session. So that there is some internet problem while answering. He will never answer a question when somebody asks it.
So please don't do that now.
In some other class, yeah, maybe.
That's okay. Okay. Now, I tell my Dinacharya with adding some grammatical concepts. I want you to follow. Last class, do you remember? Aham pratah kale uttisthami mukha prakshalanam karomi snanam karomi. All karomi is a present tense we use, na? Karomi. Alpaharam swikaromi. Karyalayam gacchami. Karyam karomi. Virame bhojanam karomi. Janai sah sambhashanam karomi. Sayankale punaha griham agacchami. Putrai sah kridami. Bharya sah duradarshanim pashyami. Ratri bhojanam karomi. Shayanam karomi. All karomi we did, na? Karomi is present tense. Now what we do is we make it into the past tense. Karomi is a present tense. Na? We'll go to the past tense. Little past tense. Aham pratah kale uttishtavan. Uttishtavan, I got up. Mukha prakshalanam kritavan. Kritavan.
What is the difference between kritavan and
I did.
akarot? No, akarot.
Karomi is doing.
Yeah.
Karomi is doing. Now I'm
No,
doing
no,
is
no.
karomi.
Akarot.
Akarot is long past.
Oh,
Yesterday
I
or day before yesterday is long past.
Oh, I see.
Krutavan is recently complete, just now completed.
Has been or has.
Today morning. Or yesterday also you can just, but close to the past, close to the present is Krutavan. Long past is Akarot. Ramaha Rajyam Apalayat. Ramaha Rajyam Apalayat. When it happened? Long. Okay. So Krutavan. I want to just introduce a new word to the grammar. Krutavan, I just did. Okay. Who will start now? Lakshma Reddy ji. Krutavan. Add the Krutavan and start your routine.
Aham pratah kale uttishtavan.
And try to tell your own words, own frame, own sentences.
Yeah. Aham. Thereafter, what do I say? Thereafter, like
Tadanantaram.
tadanantaram.
Anantaram or tadanantaram, both are same.
Tadanantaram. After completing the morning.
Kritva.
Krutva.
Or uttishtva. Okay, uttishthavan. Tadanantaram. What do you read?
Tadanantaram mukha prakshalanam
Krutavan.
krutavan.
Krutva means after doing that.
Krutva. Tea.
Chayam.
Pibati. Pibavan.
Okay, pitavan.
Pitavan.
Pitwa. What is pitwa?
While drinking.
After drinking.
After.
Pitwa.
Aham.
Again and again, aham is not required.
Spoke to my dad.
Pitra saha.
Pitra saha.
Sambhashanam.
Pitra and brother.
Pitra Bhratra.
Pitra Bratra saha sambhashanam karomi.
Krutavan.
Yeah,
Krutavan,
sentence.
I did.
Krutavan.
Very good. After doing that, what do you mean? Krutva. Sambhashanam krutva.
Sambhashanam
kritavan. Sambhashanam krutva.
Doordarshan Pashyavan.
Doordarshanim. Drushtavan. Now, again, continue the sentence. Drishtva.
Breakfast.
No, snanam.
Someone is cheating from beside.
Snanam krutavan. Snanam krutva.
Super.
Snanam krutva. Deeparadhana krutavan.
Deeparadhanam krutavan. Very good.
Krutavan.
Now you can say now Deeparadhanam krutva or Tadanantaram.
Alpaharam. Khadavan.
Bhuktavan. Alpaharam bhuktavan. Now,
Bhuktva. Samskrita Kashya Agachati. Agatavan.
Very good. Uttavam. So there are three things you learn today. Number one, Anantaram or Tadanantaram or Tataha. Tataha is also hereafter, thereafter. What next?
Okay.
or bhuktavan or bhuktva. Bhuktavan, comma, bhuktva. I ate. After eating, that is bhuktavan is I ate. Bhuktva after eating. Okay, very good. Now, Dutt Swami.
Yeah.
Yeah. Frame some different sentences than this. Even if you create also no problem. Create a story, don't worry. Create a new frames and new sentences.
Pratah kala
Uh-huh.
alpahara
Hmm.
bhuktva.
Alpaharam bhuktva
Alpaharam bhuktva.
or alpaharam krutva. Anything is okay. Hmm.
Yeah. Bhuktva.
Hmm.
Samskrita bhasha patami. Patatva.
Patitva. Okay.
Patitva.
After class completed. What next? Hmm. Imagine that you are in the evening. You are in the evening, class completed, lunch done, just your works, talking are done. In the evening, you are talking to me. Now you tell me.
Yeah. Bharya saha दूरदर्शनं
Hmm.
कृत्वा
Drushtavan.
दृष्टवान्
Društva.
दृष्ट्वा
Ah.
सायंकाल
Hmm. Sayankala samaye or sayankale
समये
or sayankale.
सायंकाले
Hmm.
went for a walk. How do you say that?
Hmm. Kinchit duram gatavan.
किञ्चित् दूरं
Hmm.
गतवान्
Hmm. Vyayamardham gatavan.
व्यायामार्थं गतवान्
Hmm. Or vyayamam krutavan.
व्यायामं कृत्वा
Krutavan.
कृतवान्
Krutva.
कृत्वा
Vyayamam krutva.
कृत्वा
Hmm.
how do you say
Frame English sentence, we are there.
yeah, trying to say getting ready for dinner.
Ratri bhojanardham siddham bhavami.
Ratri bhojanam siddham bhavami.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Narayan Paiji. Frame dinacharya in a new manner. In the same way.
Adya aham pratah kale uttishtavan.
Now you can add some adjectives. At what time?
Yeah. Sapada Shatvadane.
Don't take that much difficult wording, so I may just make easy words now, okay? Panchavadane or Shadvadane, easy, okay. Sapada, Saptava. Sapada?
Shatvadane.
Shadvadane, okay. King Kritavan?
Mukham
Uttishtavan.
Uttishtavan. Mukham
Anantaram.
Anantaram. Mukham washing the
Prakshalanam Kritavan.
Prakshalan Krutavan.
Or Dantadhavanam Kritavan.
Dantadhavanam Krutavan. Okay.
Kritva.
Kritva. Devam Smarami. Smarami. Okay.
What are you doing?
Praying.
Prataha Bhagavat Smaranam Kritavan.
Smaranam Kritavan.
Bhagavat Smaranam Kritavan. Okay. Smuratva.
Smuratva. Breakfast. Pratash.
Okay. Three things. Pratarashaha or अल्पाहारं
alpaharam
स्वीकृतवान्
swikritavan.
अल्पाहारं कृतवान् अल्पाहारं भुक्तवान् अल्पाहारं स्वीकृतवान्
Alpaharam
three are suitable okay अल्पाहारं स्वीकृतवान् स्वीकृत्वा
swikritavan.
स्नानं
Snanam kritavan.
उत्तमं
तदनन्तरं संस्कृतकक्षायां योजयितुं सिद्धतां कृतवान्.
okay और संस्कृत कक्षायाम् आगतवान् simple
Okay. What I wanted to say was I got ready to attend Samskrita class.
संस्कृत कक्षायाम् आगन्तुं to come सिद्धम् अभवम्.
Okay. Can I say yojayitum to join Samskrita class?
Yojana is
Plan.
like to organize.
Oh, okay. Good.
संस्कृत कक्षाम् अधीतुं संस्कृतम् अधीतुम् आगतवान्. That's a long story. Okay, Shyamji, good morning.
Reconnecting.
Okay, we are clear, but you continue, we can hear you. Lakshma Reddy ji, that's why you should not give ideas, you know.
Yesterday, how do we say yesterday?
Hiyaha, na? You remember? Hiyaha. Yesterday.
Yeah, Adya is today.
Ah.
Yaha is yesterday.
Ha plus ya. Hiya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can
You
also
can tell
say
your
like
yesterday's routine. You can tell your yesterday's routine in the same manner.
that. Yeah. Yeah.
Krutavan is the name of the game.
10 o'clock is
Dasha. Vadane.
Dashavasare.
Vadane. Vadana is a.
Dashavadane.
Vasara is a day.
Vadane is day.
Vasara is a day.
Vasara is day. Okay.
Vadana is R.
Vadane. Okay. Yeah. Dashavadane.
Mm-hmm.
संस्कृत भाषा अध्ययनं करवान्
Krutavan.
कृतवान्
Oh.
कृतवान्
Yesterday morning at 10 o'clock, I read Sanskrit. Very good. Uttamam.
कृत्वा exercise is what is that?
Vyayamam.
व्यायामं कृतवान्
Krutavan.
कृतवान्
Hmm.
कृतवान्
Hmm.
कृत्वा मध्याह्नभोजनं
Krutavan.
कृतवान्
Or Swikrutavan. Krutavan or Kruta is a doing. I
Okay.
did. Done. Or Swikrutavan. I took.
Okay. स्वीकृतवान्. Let's
Hmm.
change it.
Swikritva.
स्वीकृत्वा निद्रां
Gatavan.
गतवान्
Hmm. Nidritva.
निद्रित्वा
Hmm.
भार्या समेतः दूरदर्शनं
Drishtavan.
दृष्ट्वा
Bharya sametah. Bharya saha.
भार्या सह
Duradarshanam.
दूरदर्शनं दृष्ट्वा
Drishtavan. Drishtva.
दृष्ट्वा my mother is mama
Matuhu saha.
मातो सह संभाषणं
Krutavan.
कृतवान्
Matuhu saha sambhashanam krutavan. Sambhashanam kritva.
संभाषणं कृत्वा
Ah.
so what did I do? संभाषणं कृत्वा चलनचित्रं दृष्ट्वा
Wow. Chalana chitram drishtavan.
दृष्टवान्
Chalana drishtva. Or tadanantaram.
तदनन्तरं रात्रिभोजनं
Krutavan.
Krutavan.
Krutva.
Krutva.
Prashantataya Nidrang Krutavan.
And went for a walk.
Oh, okay.
Krutva.
Shatapadhang Gatavan.
Shatapadam.
There's a good
It's like-
saying. There's a good saying in Sanskrit, like
Yeah.
in medicinal aspect. Bhuktva. What is bhuktva?
After eating.
Having eaten.
Shatapathang gatva. Patha is a step. Shatapatha, 100 steps.
100.
Gatva.
After walking,
Shatapadam gatva.
Bhuktva. Shatapathang gatva. Tambulam tadanantaram.
Tambulam tadanantaram nidram krutva.
You are not listening. It's a shloka. Bhuktva. Shatapadhang gatva. Tambulam tadanantaram. Tadanantaram should be before tambulam. Bhuktva shatapadhang gatva tadanantaram tambulam. Vama bhage cha shayanam. Shayanam?
sleep.
Which side?
Bhagek's left side.
Vama bhage cha shayanam. Vaidyasya kim prayojanam. If you do this, if you maintain this, bhuktva shatapadhang gatva tadanantaram tambulam bhuktva vama bhaga shayanam karoshi yadi vaidyasya prayojanam nasti. You don't require a doctor.
Wow, that's good.
What is tambulam?
Tambulam.
Yeah.
Pan.
Vakkapodi.
Pan. Not only vakkapodi. It's like with a betel leaf, betel nuts, sunam, and some sugandha dravya like ilaichi, one lavang. Some things are there.
Is it supposed to be good?
Yeah, it is must for everybody.
But chocolate is better.
Okay. For children, chocolate is better.
But yeah, anyway, let's not go into the topic. Yeah.
Okay, so this is also so bhuktva shatapadha gamanam. Patha gamanam is walking. Patha gamanam. So that's the point actually. So my Guruji used to do this. He used to have good food. He used to 100 feet walk every night, afternoon or evening. He used to have a tambulam. His wife used to prepare a good tambulam. She used to make it and just give it to us. And he used to have it. And after some time, he used to sleep left side. We used to press the feet of teacher. And he used to have a good sound sleep. So this is actually a system. Even now, if I can't sleep right side, I always sleep to the left side only. I don't know if my body.
Actually, after you eat, scientifically, you should sleep on your left.
Okay.
So there is no pressure or there is no reflux, also pressure on your heart. You know that.
No, it is because the stomach is on the left side.
Yeah,
If you lie on the left side, you are less likely to have reflux. You know, that's
Yeah. I forgot there is a doctor. So.
Interesting.
Okay, I told about a shlokam. Okay. So bhuktva, in this our practice words are there. Bhuktva, shatapadhang gatva, tva, tambulam tadanantaram, vama bhage cha shayanam, vaidyasya kim prayojanam. This is a shlokam.
Very good.
So there is a lifestyle in it. So I just quoted this because of shatapadha gamanam, walking.
Yeah, one of
Walking
my
100 steps.
only 100 steps is needed.
Padagamanam, minimum.
Yeah, I was told by somebody else before, a colleague of mine. He used the word Shatapauli. I guess in Hindi, they use the word.
It's Hindi, not Sanskrit.
Actually, you need 1,000 steps though.
Okay. Okay, now Bhikshapati Swami. Vande Mataram. You are silent today.
Vande Mataram. I joined a little bit late.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah. I think I was busy in some work.
That's what you are not in a good mood now.
Yeah, what is that? I missed the concept of the class.
I'll tell you. Last class we just karomi in a dinacharya. Today we are like krutavan. Krutavan is I already completed. Karomi is now I'm doing. Krutavan I already did.
just completed or yesterday or close.
Recently, close to the present tense.
Mhm.
Okay, in that way we are planning. Okay, I request some other person to just tell the routine, then you can tell. Vasudha
What is krutva then after
Krutva, after doing that, aham nidrang kritavan. I completed my nidra. Nidritva, after doing nidra, uttishtavan. Uttishtva, mukha prakshalanam kritavan. Prakshalya, alpaharam svikritavan. Svikritva, कार्यालयं गतवान् गत्वा बहुजनैः सह भाषणं कृतवान् भाषित्वा. After talking to them, we can continue. Vasudha Mata.
Okay. I did the same that Lakshma did.
And that's, you create something new story. I'm a small kid.
Okay.
Tell me what you did in a different way, or not today, yesterday, or else
I'll
just create one story of your good day.
So,
No, it's not dot connecting.
Aham
There, generally, in every class, there are few notorious students. Lakshma Reddy ji is like that. He's ruining all the class. Dot continuing. Connecting. Those are very fast, it seems. Backbenchers. Mata, please continue.
Aham pratah kale what do you call wake up?
Uttishtvati.
Uttishtavan. Uttishtvati.
Ah, why?
Because it's a girl. Woman.
Feminine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uttishtvati.
Uttishtva.
Uttishtva. Mata sambhashanam.
Mata sambhashanam. Mata saha sambhashanam.
Mata saha sambhashanam.
Kasya mata?
Mama mata. Mama mata sambhashanam.
Mama mata saha.
Krutvan.
Mama mata saha.
Mama mata saha. Sambhashanam. Krutvan.
Krutavati.
Krutavati. Oh, if it's a woman, it's everything is vati. Krutavati. Krutva. Snanam.
Krutavati.
Krutavati. Krutva. Puja. I cleared for Deeparadhana.
Deva Mandire.
Deva Mandire.
Pujam Krutavati.
Pujam Krutavati.
Deeparadhanam Krutavati.
So that my husband will do Deeparadhana.
Okay. Aham Deeparadhanam Krutavati.
You can lie a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. I did
Mama patihi Deeparadhanam Krutavan.
Aham
Pujam Krutavati.
Pujam Krutavati.
Mama patihi
Deeparadhanam Krutvan. Krutva.
Krutvar tadanantaram. Very good.
Tadanantaram. I made breakfast.
What is breakfast in Sanskrit?
Alpaharam pachati.
Pachitavati.
Pachitavati.
Or alpaharam pachitavati.
Pachitavati. Pachva.
Nirmitavati. Prepared is nirmitavati.
Okay. Pachva.
Pachitva.
Pachitva.
A difficult job.
Tadanantaram Pachva.
Pachitva.
Pati saha. Alpaharam. Bhuktavati.
Very good.
Tadanantaram Samskrita Kaksham Abhavat.
Agatavati. Wow, uttamam. See, you people are talking Sanskritam, daily routine. You are very fast. You have a very good spark, with all your experiences. You are just learning fast. Now, Bhikshapati Swami. Tavan.
Yeah.
For feminine gender is tavati. Use tavan.
Yes.
Hmm.
Krutavan.
Hmm. You tell about your yesterday's routine.
Aham yahya
Hyaha uttamam.
pratah kale
Hmm. At what time?
tatvadane
Shadvadane uttamam.
seven
Saptavadane.
saptavadane
Hmm.
uttishtavan
Uttamam.
uttishtya
Okay.
mama arya भाषवान
Arya saha
आर्या सह
bhashitavan.
भाषितवान
Uttamam.
तदनन्तरं स्नानं
कृतवान्.
स्नानं कृतवान् कृत्वा
पूजामन्दिरं गतवान् और पूजामन्दिरे पूजां कृतवान्. पूजामन्दिरं, if you say पूजामन्दिरं, you are doing with it something with it. और पूजामन्दिरे, in पूजामन्दिरं.
अहं पूजामन्दिरे भगवत् नाम कृतवान्.
Very good. Or स्मरितवान् also we can tell, but स्मरणं कृतवान्. Now for now it is good. Okay.
तदनन्तरं अल्पाहारं भुक्तवान्.
Very good.
भुक्त्वा मम सहोदरा
कृतवान्. सहोदर भाषणं कृतवान् और सहोदरेण सह with the brother na सहोदरेण सह भाषणं कृतवान्. Don't forget the vibhaktis. By with is tritiya, for is chaturthi, from is panchami, belongs to shashti, in and on saptami. Next, continue Swami.
कृत्वा कार्यालयेन
you want to test, you went to office?
I've done some office work in the home.
कार्यालय कार्यम और कार्यम कृतवान्.
कार्यालय कार्यं कृतवान्
और कार्यं कृतवान्
और
किंचित कार्यं कृतवान्. some work. और कश्चित कार्यं कृतवान्. कश्चित is some work. Some of work. कश्चित कार्यं कृतवान्.
कृत्वा मध्याह्नभोजनं कृतवान्. तदनन्तरं निद्रा
निद्रितवान्. How much nidra?
1 hour, right?
1 घंटा निद्रां कृतवान्. एकवादन निद्रां कृतवान्.
एकवादन निद्रा. एकवादन also.
वादन is our. और घंटा यावत up to निद्रां कृतवान्. घंटा यावत निद्रां कृतवान्. यावत
कृतवान्.
निद्रां అంటే roughly 1 hour.
Roughly for an hour. Yes. कृत्वा तदनन्तरं
anything is okay. कृत्वा तदनन्तरं both are fine. सायंकाले
वाह्यालि कृतवान्.
वाह्यालि. What is that?
वाह्यालि, walking.
Okay. व्यायामं कृतवान्. शतपथं गतवान्.
शतपथं गतवान्. रात्रि समये भार्या सहित दूरदर्शने
Drishtavan.
दृष्टवान्
Hmm.
दृष्ट्वे रात्रि अल्पाहारभोजने
Drushtva.
दृष्ट्वा
Hmm.
अल्पाहारभोजनं भुक्तवान्
Bhuktva.
यस् भुक्त्वा निद्रावान्
Nidravan or Nidritavan.
निद्रितवान्
Very good. Very good, Bhikshupatiji. You have a very long, detailed dinacharya.
Is there a word for a nap? Or
Nidra only.
okay.
निद्रा
Alpa Nidra. If you want to.
Alpanidra.
Alpa Nidra.
Alpanidra.
Or Kshanika Nidra. Kshanika Nidra. Okay. Today, okay, I think I'm done with this. I think you had a little practice of Kritva,
Yes.
Kritavan, these prachayas. Today I want to let us learn some good shlokam. Do you remember the shloka? Like Vidya dadati vinayam,
Yeah.
vinayat yati patratam, patratvad dhanam apnoti, dhanat dharmam tata sukham. Now I want you to read, tell the meaning. Vidya dadati vinayam.
Education gives
Education.
politeness.
Okay, vinayat yati patratam.
Politeness gives
Character.
character.
Very good. Patratvad dhanam apnoti.
Character gives money.
Money. Dhanat dharmam tata sukham.
With money, you have to have charity.
Righteousness.
Charity gives.
Then you get happiness.
Do you remember the last slokam? Purvam tavat aham murkha dvitiyaha pashabandhakah tritiya raja mantri cha sarvam vai murkha mandalam. Do you remember the slokam?
Yes.
yes
Yes.
मूर्खमण्डलं
Sarvam vai
Everybody
murkha
is
mandalam.
Murkha.
Okay, in the same way, there is another slokam. Do you remember the story? What is the meaning of this? Purvam tavat aham murkha.
The bird story.
Person.
What is the meaning of it?
I
Purvam.
am the
was the first fool.
Dvitiyah pashabandhakah.
Second
Hunter
fool
is the second fool.
Tritiya raja mantri cha.
And the
King
third
and the
fool is
minister are the third fool.
king and the minister.
Sarvam vai murkha mandalam.
all the world is filled with fools.
Murkhas only. Very good. I'll
So-
tell you another small
Acharya
story.
ji, quick
Sorry.
question. Purvam tavat. Purvam means?
Or beginning.
First of all,
Okay, first. Okay,
First
okay.
of all.
Okay. Tavat means fool.
Purvam aham murkha. There are, in Sanskrit sentences, there are few words which are to fill. Like sa, cha, ta, what you can say, syat, api. These are words for filling the gap of the poetry, like
Okay.
meter.
Tavat is
Purvam.
also like that.
Tavad aham murkha. I am the first fool of that much.
Okay.
Murkha
okay.
mandalam. It told na murkha mandalam.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
I am the first fool in that mandalam. Tavad, that much. Tavat is actually that much.
Okay, okay.
Yavat kalam jivami, tavat kalam bhajami. Or yavat kalam jivami, tavat kalam khadami.
Pashabandhaka actual meaning is what? That
Pashabandhaka is a hunter only.
But
Hunter used to have some ropes, na?
yeah. But actual meaning is that, right? Ropes or
Who ties with the ropes?
okay. Who ties?
Pashabandhakaha. Person who ties with the ropes is hunter only.
Okay.
I guess in Sanskrit, many words are formed from the root words. There is no like hunter like in English, I think something.
Yeah, it's there, na?
Vyadha. Vyadha.
Vyadhaha.
Okay, okay.
And there are many words are there. There are core words, roots are there. Along with roots, the qualities also,
Okay.
names of the qualities are also made as synonyms.
Then
Like all
Correct.
Vishnu Sahasranama is not the name of a Vishnu Murti, na? All the characters of the Vishnu Murti.
Okay, interesting. Yeah.
Same Lalita Sahasranama. The professions, the works were also considered as names. Like Jatadhari Parameshwara. Jata is hair. Jatadhari is Parameshwara. Trishuladhari is Parameshwara, who is having Trishula. Trinetraha. What is Trinetra? Who is having 3 eyes.
Shiva.
What is Shiva? Shiva is person who does good.
Wow.
Parvati Pati is the wife of, husband of Parvati. Kailasa Vasi, who stays in Kailasa. Gangadharaha, who is wearing Ganga on his head. Vyagra Charmambaraha, who is having cloth of tiger. Or Gaja Charmadhari, who is wearing skin of an elephant.
Jatadhara is
Digambaraha,
also there,
who is having directions as cloth. Actually meaning is he is wearing nothing. Directions itself is cloth.
Gambara.
Digambaraha. So all these are names by the characters. Okay, so I'll tell you a story today. Beautiful one. One day, a beggar, Bhikshukaha, sannyasi like me, who used to go to every village, every city, who used to do Bhikshatana. Bhavati Bhikshandehi. Bhavati Bhikshandehi. So when when days are passing, he become old. From young age to old, he become old. Someone used to give some pennies, some rupees, some dollars, some gold coins, some silver coins. So he left all the impurities like lower level coins and he collected all the gold coins and very rich, valuable diamonds and all. He kept it in his somewhere place and he was vexed with begging. One day he felt like, okay, I completed my life. Now I'll go to Kashi. Now I'll go to Kashi Nagaram and settle there. I'll do Shivanama Smarana. If my time comes, I'll go there. For my survival, whatever the money I saved, I'll keep it in a copper pot, Tamra Kumbha, copper pot, cover it with a cloth and keep it with me. Looking at a copper pot, no one will imagine that there is gold coins or diamonds inside. He just hid all those things, covered it and keep it in his bag. He left with nothing except a small bag and one copper pot filled with gold coins. He went to Kashi. After going there, he saw a very pure flowing, beautiful Ganga river. He was very anxious to get into the river to take bath. But he got an idea where to keep this pot now. I can't give it to somebody. If I give it to somebody, if they go away, then all my lifetime savings will be gone. I can't do that. In those times, there is no locker system in Kashi. You can't believe anybody. But I want to take the bath at any cost. What to do? He got an idea. I'll do something. However, the river bank of river Ganga is very huge and large. He went to some last place of the bank, almost corner. Just remove some sand of the bank. Kept this copper pot inside and closed it. Now he got idea. Can I come back to the same place? I'll do something. I'll make some linga. Linga means? Not Shivalinga. Linga means something. Chinham, symbol. He made some symbol. It looked like Shivalinga. Okay, he made a Shivalinga. Okay, if I go to any extent, any corner of the bank also, I can come back to this place. So he went to Ganga River. Ganga River is such a beautiful place where you will forget about yourself. You just stay in it for hours together. He went there, he took all the bath and he was, okay, vexed with it, enough taking bath. He just turned back and coming towards the Shivalinga. When he is coming close to Shivalinga, he saw thousands of Shivalingas there. He got, what is this? Which Shivalinga is mine? Because every Shivalinga is not close, no? Here one, there one, somewhere one, somewhere. He got confused, which is my Shivalinga? He got doubt and he asked someone who is preparing some Shivalinga. He went to him and asked, Beta, what are you doing? I'm just making a Shivalinga. Why are you doing? I don't know. The man who went to Ganga river previously, he did the same. He went and asked him, why are you doing this? I don't know. The person who went before Shivalinga, I thought like it is a rich tradition or ritual. Before taking bath in Shivalinga, Ganga river, we need to prepare some Shivalinga on the bank of Ganga river. So we are doing this. If he breaks, he tried to break some Shivalinga to search his copper pot. All the people came and questioned him, tried to warn him, hey, what are you doing? Are you breaking Shivalinga? It is papam. Don't do that. And where he can dig for his copper pot, the entire bank of Ganga river. He can't do that. So there is a beautiful shloka in the story. I forgot that. I'll write a shloka. The same story like this only. Stamme tamra bhajanam. Swami, try to decode the language. What is this? Gatanu gatiko loka. Na lokaha paramarthikaha yatha saikata lingeshu nashtam e tamrabhajanam. Now, Swami, gata. What is gata?
Past.
Going. Gata is going.
Oh,
Gatam is gone. That's why gatam is past.
Okay.
I see.
Okay. Going. Anugata,
Coming.
Following.
followed. Anusarana is followed. Na?
Okay.
Gata, anugata. Lokaha, the world is, the world is gata anugataha, which moves, which follows somebody.
Interesting.
The world, attitude of the world is, it follows somebody. Na lokaha, but no world is paramardhikaha. Paramartha is following the essence, following the principle, following the basic necessity or need. People will not do whatever they want. People do whatever other people are doing.
Kuralmanda.
Gata anugataha lokaha na lokaha paramarthikaha. People will always follow others, but they don't have their own actual principle. What I am, what I can do, what I can achieve, what I am doing. If someone is doing, why he is doing, whether I should do it or not, whether it is suitable for me or not, can I do it or not? Is there any good thing or is there any possibility of like profits or is there any benefit of doing it or not? They don't think. If someone is doing, I'll do. If someone is buying a house, I'll buy. If someone is buying a car, I'll buy. If someone is having a diamond, even I should have a diamond. Gata anugataha lokaha na lokaha paramardhikaha. Paramarthika is having principle of self. Yatha. What is yatha?
Like that.
That way.
As.
As.
Yatha. Saikata lingeshu. Saikata is?
Sand.
Sand. Very good. Linga? Shivalinga or lingeshu. What did it? Me nashtam. Me mine. Nashtam.
Loss.
Lost. Lost my tamra bhajanam. Tamra?
Copper.
Bhajanam?
Vessel.
Pot or vessel. Okay. As I lost my tamra bhajanam in just banks of Ganga river or in the sand, inside the sand, world is not having its own principle. They just follow blindly whatever the other person did. There's a beautiful story. There are few concepts where I went to some forest places near Haridwar. I see stones keeping above the stones.
Yes.
I went to Sri Shailam. I found the same concepts. People will collect some stones, they keep on it. Why means if you do that, you can construct a house, it seems. In Sri Shailam forest, I saw. In some other areas of near Khammam, I went to some forest. I saw when if they collect some stones and they build. How many floors you build, that many floors you will construct in your life. It seems. There is no logic at all. But not one. I see thousands of buildings in forests of stones. So, is it true? Don't know. They do all the things. There are many things like this. Example: people will follow others blindly, without knowing the reason. So beautiful shloka. I want to repeat today, please. Gatanu gatiko lokaha.
Gatanugatiko lokaha.
Gatanu gatiko lokaha.
Gatiko lokaha.
Na lokaha.
Na lokaha.
Paramarthikaha.
Paramarthikaha.
Gatanu gatiko lokaha.
Gatiko lokaha.
Na lokaha paramarthikaha.
Na lokaha paramarthikaha.
Yatha saikata lingeshu.
Da saikata lingeshu.
Yatha saikata lingeshu.
Yada saikata lingeshu.
Nashtam me tamra bhajanam.
Nastam me vajanam.
Nashtam me tamra bhajanam. Nashtam me tamra bhajanam.
Nastam me tamra vajanam.
Acharya,
Swami.
can you kind of explain that paramarthika a little bit? And how do you?
Okay, what is artha?
Artha is meaning.
Paramartha?
Bigger meaning.
Bigger meaning or no? Important meaning, essential meaning. Paramarthata. If you are doing something, we are not doing it for lame reason. Na? We should have a greater reason of doing something.
So it doesn't mean like God, but it just.
No. It is Paramatma is God. Paramatmastveka eva. Only one. Paramatma is only one. Paramartha means meaning of it. Maybe Paramartham. Dad is doing something. Knowing this for children is Paramartha. What people will think like, okay, dad is going out daily. He's enjoying. He's just driving a good car. He's not giving anything to me. Children will think like that. What is Paramartha? Dad is not going out to enjoy. He is going out for the enjoyment of children. When they'll come to know, that is Paramartha. Paramartha Jnanam. Mother is always cooking something delicious. Every sibling complain each other. Mommy will cook all delicious food of sister only, not mine. Whatever the sister likes, she cook for her only, not me. Okay, the elder sister thinks the same. See, always you prepare for the brother, not me. Hare, what is Paramartha here? She cooks not for herself, first of all. She cooks for the family. What is Paramartha here?
Others, for others.
Thinking the original reason or principle. Basic reason, important reason. This
for a higher cause, for a higher principle.
Higher cause, yeah. Wow.
Good one.
Good, Swami. Thank you very much for today's class. I think we just learned two pratyayas, tavat pratyaya and tva pratyaya. Kritavan kritva, gatavan gatva, bhuktavan bhuktva, drishtavan drishtva. Okay. So shall we conclude here?
Yes.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.
Yeah, Punarmilama.
Punarmilamaha Vande Mataram. Dhanyawada Vadudamata. Venkat Ramakrishnan ji, Shesh ji, Shyam ji, Namaskar. Narayan Paji. Somebody singing songs. Thank you very much. Have a good day.